way, Cyrus. Bobsy, you different.
All that love that I gave, it wasn't reciprocated. So that spot in my heart for people became vacant. Was a hospital to people, cause all I was patient. Gave them real, they kept secrets from me, just like a mason. Being 100 with you was a place I never lacked. Felt like a chiropractor, cause I always had your back. Had me feeling like Ripley's, cause I couldn't believe that. You was my dog, Kevin Nash, swear we was the wolf pack. Everything ain't what it seems, I was saying what I mean. Thought we was rockin' dog, we was on the same team. I was ballin' like Magic, you was hooking like Kareem. Thought we could ball out, but I guess it was a dream.
Tryna be a better man, getting money was the plan. Really don't want me to blow, thought you been my biggest fan. Even though I lost myself, lending you a helping hand. Talking about you 10 toes, but you're not a stand-up man. Thought that you been down, homie, why you let me down, homie? Treated you like Siamese, I was by your side, homie. I can't trust a soul, man, that's why I'm always by my lonely. You don't know what time I did, you know I got that 9 on me. A lot of people turn to snakes, how you love me but gon' hate. I guess being real a crime, cause a lot of people fake. Girl, you show me every sign. You said that you want your space. That right there, my cue to leave. That's the icing on the cake.